these ribs will want to go inside, so you may have to force it open a little bit. You notice how it falls out along the top? I'm getting a little bit close there, but it's acceptable. I'll have to go on the other side and work it. Today, what I'm using is screws that are made to fasten this material on roofs and on the side of buildings. It's a coating, the same as that. But being as it is under the top front, you can use a nail, you can use screws, galvanized or not galvanized, because it's not in the weather, okay? So what I'm going to do is use it with a battery pack gun. So you can use an electric gun, you can use a drill, you can use whatever bit you want to get what you need to get done. Here we are. If you notice, it's even across, it's down a little bit. Fasten it on the other side of this fence, which took a little bit of a journey. And now I'm going to fasten it right here. It's inside the bottom rail. Now I'm going to do that what I did before. I'm going to measure. And also notice the wires we're putting in behind. The only thing will be left is a cable on the outside. Again, I'm going to measure here, which is, I'm going to say 29 and a half. And then we're going to measure over 36, because one time it laps, it will be 36. Then I measure down inside the bottom rail. Right here, I'm going to say 30 on both ends. If I hold it right in there. That way we don't interfere with that top rail. So I'm going to go over here to the stack. Going to measure 30. And on the other end, from the top down, 30. I'm going to take my straight edge, which again, this is top rail. Pencil marks it all the way across. You can use crayons, you can use all kinds of things. Then I'm going to take my snips. I'm going to cut through that first rib, and I'm going to start pressing down on one side, lifting up on the other, cutting down that line. Don't be discouraged if you can't do it that easy. It's something that takes a lot of practice, but it can be done. I want that rib to be lapped over right there. We know that this one was 30, so I need to measure 36 inches over. And I'll measure down again. Need to be a couple inches down, so we dropped off to 32. We're going from 30 to 32. Here's 30. Here's 32. There's that angle. Gonna measure over 36. 33 and a half. So I'm going on the first one. 32. 33 and a half. Straight edge across it. Cuts. In this case, I have a phone line right here that has to go through. And what I'm gonna do, since it has slack, is to take it over here. And I gotta go through the rib. Have to use